How to build a legacy in 3 easy steps. Step 1, be original. Do original things, the kind of things that others fear because it's never been done before. Like introduce the first branded motor oil. Thank you, Dr. John Ellis. Then follow it up with a whole bunch of other firsts. Winning the first race in North America, being the first racing motor oil, sponsoring the first woman in the NHRA, and a whole lot more. Step 2, be consistent. Relentless, focused, dedicated, passionate, and determined. Did I mention relentless? Because that's the key. A never-stopping, always persistent, single-minded purpose to create the best possible stuff. The kind of motor oil that does way more than anyone else thinks is possible and helps engines run cleaner, faster, better, smarter in the hottest, toughest, most grueling conditions a driver can put a race car through. Step 3, win, baby. I'm not talking about a couple of races. I'm talking about building a dynasty. Race after race, year after year, car after car, track after track, generation after generation. And make sure you win a few championships, too. NASCAR, Formula One, IndyCar, NHRA, on dirt, asphalt, sand, rain, sweat, and grit. Be like that guy, that guy, that guy, and obviously that guy. Because legacy isn't something you plan, it's something you prove. And when you're done, you're never done. Building a legacy means never being finished, and we're just getting started. Since the beginning until the finish, Valvoline, 150 years of legacy under the hood.